Hi guys, welcome to my new video. This will be my first video. I'll be teaching you how to set up the auto moderation module of the Dynobot. So let's get right into it. Search for the dashboard of the bot and add the bot to the server. I'll give the bot dashboard link in the description. So if you have any problem, you can visit by the link in the description and select your server administrator. Please make sure it has all the permissions. Authorize it. Verify yourself. Once you are done, the bot will join your server. Here, it will ask you to select your prefix and time zone. I'll just skip it. Um, in the module section, you will find the auto mode. Go on settings. Enable the module. Yes, it's enabled now. Now you can enable auto mute. And let's first go for the fast message spam. You can call it spam in short. So what you have to do is delete one instant mute. You can select any of these options which you prefer, and 2 and 10. Mute violations is 2, mute time is 10. Mute violation is the amount of time person tries to spam. If they spam 2 times or more, they'll just get muted instantly. And mute time is a time for which they will be muted, that is, they will be muted for 10 minutes. So save it. Once it's done, you will be good to go. Next, let's go for Discord invites. You can select it for delete, warn, instant mute, anything you wish. I'll select these both. And keep mute violations and mute time blank if you haven't set up the instant mute or auto mute as a auto mute. And if you want any channel, and if you want to create a channel in which Discord invites can be sent, for example, I want to allow the members to send the Discord invites in general chat channel. You'll have to just select the name of the channel in this list and you'll be done there. All links contain all links means that all links will be deleted in the server. So you can it's same as Discord invites, and the above module and the above spam. You have to just set the options which you prefer. Same goes for the image spam, emoji spam, etc. I will show you for mass mentions. Delete, warn, and instant mute or auto mute, whichever you prefer to. Then set mute violations to 2 and mute time to 10 for 15 minutes, whatever you like. Save it. And it's done. If you haven't set any auto mute time or ban time, then this setting will be applied. For example, you haven't set any mute time or ban time in this, so this setting will be applied. Same goes for the mute and ban violations. And link cooldown is the amount of seconds after which you can send a new link, which can be a white YouTube link or Discord server invite or any other link. Mass mention count, um, it's the amount of mentions you can do in a single message. For example, I've set it to 4, so I'll be able to only ping 4 people in a single message. If I do ping 5 people or more, the message will be deleted instantly and I'll be warned. Max emoji count, it is the amount of emojis you can send in a single message. Pretty easy to understand, and there's nothing else to explain now. You can set all the options as you wish, and yeah, you can set up the lock channel um like this. For the beginners who don't know how to set up it, for the permissions, you can set everyone to the cross for view channel, and just refresh the dashboard once so it shows the lock channel. Yep, and here's the lock channel, and it's set it up perfectly. And for link whitelist, you can add any link which you want to be whitelisted so that the bot does not delete it, and same goes for the blacklist. If you add any link here, the bot will always delete the link if it's in the server. And when words, you have to just write any bad words in this box, and after you are done, tap on update, and the bot will make that word blacklisted for your server. Let me know if you have any problem in the comments, and please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and see ya, bye.